welcome to JWR Academy. In this video we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see the answer is not 50. So how we will get the answer 50? This is the wrong method. So how? First of all we simplify the division. 6 divide 3 is 2, and now 35 minus 10 is 25. So now 25 multiplied 2 is 50. This is the wrong method. According to BODMAS, first we simplify the bracket. You remember, first we simplify the bracket. 35 minus 10 is 25, and now 6 divide 3 is same. Now simplify the B for bracket, O for off. Now we simplify the off. 2 5 multiply 6, and now 2 5 multiply 6 is 150 and divide by 3. So now 150 divided by 3, it means 50. 50 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. If you are new, not watching the previous video on BODMAS, so visit on BODMAS for Beginners playlist.